D for dosa. E for English muffins. F for French fries. G for golgappa. H for hash browns. I for idli. J for jalebi. K for kachori. L for lemon rice. M for macaroni. N for nachos. O for oat cakes. P for pizza. Q for tuna pilau. R for rasam. S for samosa. T for tikki. U for upma. V for vada pav. W for wafers. X for Xmas pudding. Y for yaki onigiri. Z for zucchini.